Sony Pictures is set to take control of the Peanuts franchise, which is the Charlie Brown franchise, and they paid $457 million. So, okay, yeah, Sony Pictures Entertainment, Sony Music Japan announced that they have entered into a definite agreement with Canada media company WildBrain, which I think the creator of Peanuts is Canadian, right?
I have no clue. And you looking at me like I knew the answer to that.
Thank you for your insight. To acquire all the 41% stake held by WildBrain and Peanut Holdings. Sony will pay $630 million. Jesus. Ooh,
but you have to think about it. Not just the whole Peanut franchise. You have to think about not just the cartoons. You have to think about the comics and all of that.
Oh, the comics, merchandise.
They got a lot of licensing deals.
Yeah,
like this out there, so they gotta factor that into the price.
And I mean, Peanut's been around for, I know it, all my entire life, and it's still like that's a standard.
Before your life,
probably, probably way before. I just hadn't looked how far back, but it's still sustainable. Like even like you mentioned the Halloween cartoon. I know they have a Thanksgiving special, Christmas special every year.
Right, they have one every season.
And it still get watchers, people to watch it. Merchandise, I believe so you can still see people with Charlie Brown shirts or design stuff. Like it's still very sustainable.
Shout out to Pigpen and Ludwig.
Oh, okay. So why do you think that Peanuts brand is still sustainable?
I mean, it's one of those things that kind of can go across like different genres, or not genres, but different decades, and still kind of hold up. And it's very rare that you actually have a property that can do that, or a brand that can do that. And like the grandparents can watch it with the grandkids, the parents can watch it with the kids, grandparents, and it still like have a certain entertainment. I mean, because it was like almost like a timeless story.
That's actually great, because, and there's not a lot of stuff now that can really do that, because like for me, I see it from more of a nostalgic base. I would probably have, if I had children, I would probably let them watch it, especially, they're like toddlers or something like that. And you kind of grow when it kind of like sticks into your life. And so it's not, the story, like they haven't really changed the story much at all, I don't think. It's the same. It just seems like a recipe that you cook the same way every year, and it seems to continually gain the same results. And by same results, $630 million.
Well, yeah. What are you doing? What are you?
For some reason, I didn't really
get sued.
No, I didn't realize it was my notes. It had the music on there. I was about to say, Carson, what are you doing? Like, no, that was me. My bad.
You see how you blamed it on somebody else?
All my stuff is silent.
My apologies.
You better be glad that was under a second, boy.